Looking for a concrete coating system that actually lasts in Florida's harsh climate? Let's talk about what sets Tru Grit Coatings apart. Our proprietary additive, Tru AlumX. Unlike generic coatings, every system we install is powered by a high-performance mineral we've engineered in-house, right here at our second-generation coatings company. Tru AlumX is a highly refined form of aluminum oxide, one of the hardest naturally occurring minerals on Earth. It has a Mohs hardness rating of 9, just below a diamond. In fact, these are the same minerals used for industrial sandpaper and aerospace-grade abrasives. But we don't use just any aluminum oxide. Our version is ultra-fine, lab-graded, and precisely milled to disperse evenly in our polyaspartic and epoxy top coats. The result is a high-performance surface that's mechanically reinforced at the microscopic level. Let's now discuss the aspects where this mineral will benefit you. The first benefit for our AlumX additive is that it resists abrasion and wear, with a substantially higher resistance rating against tire marks, scratches, and impact from tools. Our additive increases the scratch and impact resistance 300% when compared to our competitors that do not use any high-wear additives at all. When combined with our state-of-the-art nano-grade resins, you truly have a floor that can actually last a lifetime. The second benefit of using this hard mineral in our coatings is its natural ability to improve slip resistance. This attribute is invaluable as it enhances safety by reducing the risk of slips and falls. It's especially helpful in wet areas like pool decks, patios, and other outdoor spaces where moisture can make surfaces particularly treacherous. The mineral achieves this without making the surface rough or uncomfortable to walk on, ensuring that safety does not come at the cost of comfort. By incorporating this mineral, we provide a solution that balances both functionality and aesthetics. Now, let's discuss the third advantage of our AlumX additive. The final reason our AlumX additive is perfect for your project is it reduces glare by scattering light. This leaves your floor with a clean, satin finish that's easy to maintain. It also reflects UV light, helping to lower surface temperatures and slow down the aging process. Tru AlumX is unique. It's not off the shelf. It's a special formula included in every premium system we install. If you're looking for a high-performance coating designed for Florida's toughest conditions, this is it. Want to see if your surface qualifies? Contact us today to discuss your project.